I make part of the Hayek Global Summit with people from Brazil, United States, Mexico. We involved so many people in this project that we are here now, and it's been amazing to meet people in person and also to do some projects with them.
My experience in São Paulo so far has been a really good one.
We're going to the Maresia, famous beaches in São Paulo, having some drinks, also some things that we hadn't the opportunity yet.
I hope that this first one is just the beginning of many ones to come.
That's very interesting to meet people in person.
We are all together. It's just like we have met since the childhood. It's been so nice, the event, because it will last for the rest of our lives.
I'm really happy to have conversations with people. What a great learning experience this is, how well you can develop yourself.
International connections are very important. That's the only way you can get to know people whom you have never met, and that's the only way you can also access the opportunities.
More special than this, the people that are here in Maresias. We have all the students, professors here, so it's a special moment, and I'm really glad that I'm here.
Hayek Global College is an institution that's there for us, and we have to take these opportunities seriously.
So, more special than